So hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. As you see, it is totally new, right? So it is totally new guys, it is new setup. So please comment below how you liked it. So let's move to our topic guys. Today's topic is cryptocurrency mining. It will be very interesting. Watch this video till the end. In India, slowly, this mining sector of the cryptocurrency is increasing. But still, many of us don't know about this mining. So don't bother about it, guys. We will discuss in the simple manner. The first thing is BTC, the Bitcoin mining, have started in 2013. Let's leave about the past. We will see what is the actual meaning of the mining. So we all know that this BTC, the Bitcoin, has a limit and it is a decentralized, right? So if you don't know about the BTC, so don't bother, guys. I will provide a link in the description box. Just check it. So as we discussed in the earlier videos about the Bitcoin, we know that there is no middleman like bank, right? So we will take an example so you can understand it in a better way. So there is a person called ABC, and ABC person want to send his cryptocurrency to XYZ person. Now in case he want to send his money to the ABC person, then it comes bank like a middleman, right? But it is a cryptocurrency, guys. So cryptocurrency is a decentralized, as we know, right? So here comes the computers, and the computers is called mining computers. So those who operate these mining computers are called miners. So this is all about the cryptocurrency of mining, guys. I hope you understood. So before continuing this video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys, and add a like button and set your friends and family also. So now we will see what are the factors are needed for the mining. First thing, these cryptocurrency founders are very intelligent because they have created this cryptocurrency as a manner that as the increase of miners, the increase of sums will be more and more complex. And to solve these complex sums, we need a proper CPU or GPU. While in this process, it will generate more heat and it will consume more electricity also. So now I will show you how the actual mining works and how much profit I will get through mining. But not here, in my Lapis screen. So just set to my Lapis screen. At first thing, for cryptocurrency mining, we need a software, and I will recommend you Cryptex software for this mining. So just go to browser and type here cryptex.org. So you can see this kind of interface. So just click on the download Cryptex. After that, it says to create an account. So I have already an account, so I will do here login. So after that, you can see this kind of interface, right? So here it says to install Cryptex, one more application. So this application you have to install because through this application only the whole mining process will be work. I have already downloaded this application, you can see here, right? So just click on it. So after opening this application, you can see this kind of interface. So here you can see $0.86 I can earn per month and $0.3 per day. So the total earning depends upon the CPU or GPU which is there in your system, because it will use the CPU, right? In this application, your work is nothing. You should on this application and live like that for the 24 hours. And you should give the electricity, the full charging and the full Wi-Fi or internet connection. That's it. So this is the video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share to your friends also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And finally, see you in the next video.